Hi, this is Jennifer Davis, your Enchanted Rose concierge, and I'd like to thank you for taking a moment to watch this video of my 2-bedroom lock-off room tour of Bay Lake Tower. Now, Bay Lake Tower is a hop, skip, and jump from Magic Kingdom and sits next door to Disney's Contemporary Resort. You actually access Bay Lake Tower from the 4th floor concourse of the Contemporary Resort over to the 5th floor of Bay Lake Tower on what's called the Skyway Bridge. And this is a view from the Skyway Bridge over towards Magic Kingdom. You can see Space Mountain and the castle off in the distance, and of course the monorail right there. Now, as soon as you enter into this 2-bedroom lock-off room, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms, you're gonna have 3 baths. This is a massive laundry room. You could almost fit a rollaway bed in this room and have like extra space. It was so massive. Of course, not many people want to do laundry on your vacation to Disney, but there it is. Here is the king-size bed in the master bedroom with its own balcony access, and then you have the private master bath with the sliding glass doors for privacy. Now, the master bath also has the full-size jetted tub, which you can actually sit in there and you can look into the master bedroom from the soaking tub. Now, going back over to the other side of the lock-off, this would be the 2nd bedroom. It's going to have 2 queen-size beds, access onto that balcony. It also has its own bathroom with a tub. And then you're also going to have the other bathroom with a shower. Now, all 2-bedroom villas are going to have a full-size kitchen with full-size appliances. As you can see here, granite countertops, smooth, clean line cabinetry. Off the kitchen, you're going to have this sitting area where you're going to have the pull-out couch, which sleeps 2, and the pull-out chair, which sleeps 1. So this room will sleep 9 people. Of course, there's a TV. That does not pull down that chest underneath there. That is storage space. And then when you go out onto the balcony, you can overlook the pool area. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at jenniferdavis@smartmomstravelagents.com. If you like this video, go ahead and do me a favor and hit that like button as well as the subscribe, and I will keep producing more great content for you.